In a major development, the US Supreme Court has cleared the way for the extradition of Tahawwur Rana, a Pakistani-Canadian national, to India. Rana is accused of aiding the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks that killed 166 people. On Saturday, the US Supreme Court denied Rana's final appeal. This decision follows years of legal battles in federal courts, including the US Court of Appeals. Rana, currently held in Los Angeles, is awaiting extradition to India, where he faces prosecution for his alleged role in the attacks. In November 2023, he had filed a petition for a writ of certiorari before the Supreme Court, which has now been rejected. The court's simple but definitive response is petition denied. 63-year-old Tahawwur Rana is a Canadian national of Pakistani origin. A former doctor in the Pakistan Army, he moved to Canada in the 1990s and later to the United States, where he ran an immigration consultancy in Chicago. Rana's connection to the Mumbai attacks lies in his friendship with David Headley, a key operative in the attacks. Headley scouted locations like the Taj Mahal Hotel under the guise of working for Rana's consultancy. Rana was arrested in 2009 for aiding Headley and Lashkar-e-Taiba, which is a Pakistan-based terrorist group behind the attacks. Rana's involvement centers on assisting Headley, who conducted reconnaissance for the 2008 Mumbai attacks. Headley used Rana's immigration consultancy as a cover to gather intelligence on targets like the Taj Mahal Hotel and the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. In 2011, he was convicted in the United States for providing material support to Lashkar-e-Taiba in a separate plot to attack a Danish newspaper. However, a US jury acquitted him of direct involvement in the Mumbai attacks, sparing him harsher charges. He served 14 years in prison and was released early in 2020 due to health concerns. India has pursued Rana's extradition for over a decade, seeking to hold him accountable for his role in the Mumbai attacks. The attacks, which left 166 dead, including 6 Americans, were orchestrated by Lashkar-e-Taiba and supported by Pakistani military officials. The National Investigation Agency has charged Rana, Headley, and Lashkar-e-Taiba leader Hafiz Saeed and others. In May 2023, a US District Court approved his extradition under the India-US Extradition Treaty. However, Rana's legal team argued that extradition would violate the principle of double jeopardy, claiming he had already been tried in the United States. His early release in 2020 intensified India's efforts to bring him to trial. A year later, the Biden administration endorsed India's extradition request, highlighting the strong case against him and the importance of US-India cooperation in fighting terrorism. So what's next? With the US Supreme Court's decision, all legal hurdles have been cleared. Rana's extradition to India is now imminent. Once in India, he will face charges for his alleged role in facilitating one of the deadliest terror attacks in history. This decision marks a significant step in India's pursuit of justice for the victims of the 2008 Mumbai attacks.